Welcome to my channel. Today we are diving into the world of compact, off-road legends and imagining something truly exciting. The Suzuki Jimny concept and modified render. The Suzuki Jimny has always been a small car with a big attitude, and that is exactly why it has captured the hearts of off-road lovers, city drivers, and car enthusiasts all over the world. Even before we talk about modifications or concept designs, it is important to understand why the Jimny is such a special vehicle. Its boxy shape, lightweight body, and true ladder frame chassis make it one of the last affordable, real off-roaders still available today. Now imagine taking this iconic design and pushing it beyond reality into the world of concept styling and modified renders. A Suzuki Jimny concept is not just about adding bigger wheels or flashy lights. It is about reimagining what this small 4x4 could become if designers had no limits. In concept renders, the Jimny often looks wider, lower, and more aggressive, while still keeping that classic square shape that fans love. The front grille becomes bolder, the headlights sharper, and the bumper more muscular, giving the car a tougher, almost futuristic personality. One of the most exciting parts of a modified Jimny render is the stance. Artists and custom builders love to widen the track, add extended fender flares, and lower or lift the suspension depending on the theme. In an off-road focused concept, the Jimny sits taller with massive all-terrain or mud-terrain tires, beadlock wheels, and a reinforced skid plate underneath. This version looks ready to climb rocks, cross rivers, and conquer mountains without fear. On the other hand, some renders show a street-focused Jimny with a lowered suspension, wide tires, sporty wheels, and an aggressive body kit, turning the cute off-roader into a mini-urban beast. The roof design in concept Jimny renders also plays a huge role. Some designs feature a removable roof or a panoramic glass roof, giving it a more adventurous open-air feel. Others show a roof rack loaded with off-road gear like spare tires, jerry cans, LED light bars, and camping equipment. This instantly tells a story of adventure, road trips, and freedom. A Jimny concept render is not just a car image, it is a lifestyle statement. Moving to the side profile, concept renders often exaggerate the straight lines and sharp edges of the Jimny. Door handles become flush, mirrors turn into slim digital cameras, and the body panels look cleaner and more aerodynamic. Yet despite these modern touches, the soul of the Jimny remains intact. That is the magic of a good concept design, respecting the heritage while pushing the future. At the rear, modified Jimny renders usually look bold and purposeful. The spare wheel cover gets a custom design, the taillights become LED with unique light signatures, and the bumper looks stronger and more sculpted. Some concepts even imagine let's talk about the interior in these concept visions, because that is where imagination really shines. A Suzuki Jimny concept interior often blends ruggedness with modern luxury. Think of waterproof seats with contrast stitching, digital instrument clusters, large infotainment screens, and physical buttons designed for use even with gloves on. Ambient lighting, premium materials, and smart storage solutions transform the cabin into a comfortable yet adventurous space. Some renders even show a fully modular interior, where rear seats can be removed to create a flat load floor for camping or gear. Technology also takes a big leap in Jimny concept renders. Advanced driver assistance systems, terrain management modes, digital navigation designed for off-road trails, and even drone integration for exploring routes ahead are sometimes imagined. While not all of this may be realistic for a production Jimny, it shows how designers and fans dream about the future of compact off-road vehicles. Another popular theme in modified Jimny renders is the electric or hybrid concept. With the automotive world moving toward electrification, many artists imagine a Suzuki Jimny EV concept. In these designs, the Jimny keeps its rugged look but gains a closed-off grille, blue accents, aerodynamic wheels, and an electric drivetrain. The idea of a silent, torque-rich electric Jimny crawling over rocks and trails is extremely exciting. It proves that even in an electric future, there is still room for adventure. Color choices in concept renders also play a huge role in the overall impact. Matte to military green, desert sand, stealth black, metallic gray, or even bold colors like orange and yellow make the Jimny stand out. Some renders use two-tone paint schemes with contrasting roofs, while others add graphics, decals, and camo patterns to enhance the off-road vibe. Lighting effects in renders, such as glowing LED bars and dramatic shadows, make the concept look almost cinematic. What makes Suzuki Jimny concept and modified renders so popular on social media and YouTube is the emotional connection people have with this car. The Jimny represents freedom, simplicity, and adventure. It is not about speed or luxury, it is about going where others cannot. When people see a modified or concept Jimny render, they imagine themselves driving it into the mountains, deserts, or forests, escaping the routine of daily life. For content creators, Jimny concept and modified renders are a goldmine. They attract viewers who love cars, off-roading, and design. By discussing these concepts, you are not just showing a car, you are telling a story about imagination and possibility. You can ask viewers which version they like more, the hardcore off-road build or the urban street style Jimny. You can also invite them to share their dream Jimny build in the comments, increasing engagement on your channel. In the end, a Suzuki Jimny concept or modified render reminds us that cars are more than